Hello everyone, my name is Matheus and now I present my work, Effect of Different Methods for Estimation of Evapotranspiration and Water Depth in Soil on the Growth Rates of Conilon clonal Coffe. Introduction. The water deficit is considered one of the main problems in coffee culture around the world. As a way to get around this problem, producers all over the world adopt the practice of irrigation. However, in the most cultivated areas, a rational irrigation management is not carried out, resulting in excessive or insufficient applications. Based on this, the present work aimed to evaluate the effect of different methods of evapotranspiration estimative and water depth levels on the growth rates of the clonal Conilon Coffe. Materials and methods. The present study was carried out in a greenhouse at the Center of Agricultural Science and Engineering of the Federal University of Espírito Santo, located in the city of Alegre. The experiment was established with clonal seedlings of Conilon coffee varieties Diamante, Jequitibá, and Centenária in a 2-factor scheme with the factors reference of evapotranspiration in 2 levels, being these levels Pinamonti and Hargraves Samani, and the water depth in 3 levels, being these levels 80, 50, and 30% of the evapotranspiration reference. Was utilized a completely random design with 4 repetitions. The growth analysis was carried out 50 days after transplanting the seedlings on the potty, and in the end of the experiment at 140 and 50 days. Based on the data obtained, was calculated the absolute growth rate, relative growth rate, and the free assimilatory rate. To evaluate the water consumption, the irrigation dips applied during the experimental period were added. When the F is significant, the Tuck test was applied at 5% of probability. In the figures below, there are graphics with daily values of the evapotranspiration of reference in the figure 1, and in the figure 2 there was the water consumption. In the tables below show the results of the growth analysis in function of the estimation method in the table 1, and in the table 2 in function of the water depth levels. Conclusions. Based on the obtained results, can be concluded the evapotranspiration estimation method and the water depth had an effect on the growth rates and the free assimilation rate of the clonal Conilon Coffe tree, with the highest values in the irrigated with 8% of evapotranspiration by the HS method, and the rider assimilation values in plants irrigated with 50% of evapotranspiration by the PM method. It is also possible to conclude that due to the overestimation of the HS method in relation to PM method, the plants irrigated by the HS method had higher values of water consumption. Acknowledgements to the Fundação de Amparo à Pesquisa do Estado do Espírito Santo, FAPES, for the Scientific Initiator Scholarship granted